Yeah, so I believe that you can build a mine right now in Yukon. As commodity prices have decreased, I think the pencils have sharpened as well. We see that happening with the contractors, with labor, and also with capital costs for equipment. Yukon has the only Carlin-style gold deposit in Canada.
One of the key things is that we're in the Yukon. It's geopolitically safe. We own the project 100%. We have assessment on the claims for almost up to 2030. So claim tenureship is secure. Again, we own it 100%. We have cash. We work with the great First Nations with settled land claims, and we have an exploration cooperation agreement with them in place. And we've got enormous potential. So we just need to get out there and prove it up.
You need a great property. And so we've been talking about Highland Gold Project. It's got an initial resource, we think out to over 1 million ounces. It has regional scale potential. And like I say, Rackla belt type mineralization that we can see. We've tested with a drill bit. So it's a great property. We own it 100%.
We've taken a large asset, we've de-risked it, we finished drilling, we finished the feasibility study, we're looking to get it permitted. We're very protective of our shareholders. If you look at right now, we're trading at sort of around 50 to 60 cents. This is a great opportunity to get into the story. I have been buying, Dale, our chairman CEO, has been buying, and that's public knowledge, so go and check it out. Buy the shares, WRN. It's a great deal.
I think we're undervalued in terms of share price. We're currently trading at 15 cents a share. We have a market cap of 50 million. Yet you look at very significant resource in the Yukon, fully permitted, ready to start construction.
Well, Exco is 100% owner of one of the highest grade silver districts in the world. We have a slightly different business plan that we do have an environmental business which is providing cash and covers the overhead to the company. It's one of the highest grade silver districts in the world, and it's poised to go back into production, capital markets, and other considerations taken into account.
Yeah, so as a past producer, right next to the Alaska Highway, so we have excellent infrastructure. Our project is positioned to move rapidly over the next couple of years to feasibility and a construction decision. We've already grown it to one of the largest undeveloped resources of platinum and palladium, nickel and copper in the world. And the opportunity, it remains open for further expansion is excellent. So a series of new studies coming out very soon, as well as next year. Additional drilling and other work. I think this is going to be an opportunity to keep your eye on.
At Coffee, we have two big value drivers. We have grade going for us and metallurgy. When Coffee goes into production, it will be one of the highest grade open pit heap leach gold mines in the world. The Yukon, of course, is a great jurisdiction, strong support for mining, and a long history of gold mining. So we do enjoy, good solid political support as well.
Full suite of high grade minerals. We've got gold, silver, lead, zinc, copper, nickel, iron, molybdenum, tungsten, platinum group metals, selenium, just to name a few. So, we went through another real gold rush. We had a gold rush back in the late 19th century. In 2010, 2011, we had another gold rush where 2011 we had over 114,000 claims staked. As a result of that, we found a lot more mineralization and really advanced some of the projects that were there as well. Through the Tantina Trench that goes through Yukon and Alaska, there's a number of gold projects, mines and projects that are out there right now, such as Donlin Creek, Fort Knox, Pogo, Casino, Victoria Gold. But the Yukon part of the Tantina Trench really is still really underexplored, so there's still a lot of potential there. And of course, also there's a large basin called the Selwyn Basin, which has probably one of the world's largest undeveloped lead zinc deposits. We've done a lot of work already, and with the exploration that has occurred, what we know is that we're still very underexplored. And we have a government in place that has created that geopolitical stable environment with strong policy to support the industry. And in fact, we are out there providing funding as well through our Yukon Mine Exploration Program to help out basic prospecting as well. And through this last gold rush, what it has created is a strong service industry for the exploration industry as well. So I think that's very important. And one of the good news is that the companies of Yukon have money in their pockets, and they're excited about getting out this year and getting into the ground and looking for sizing up their results. You put all that together, and the fact that we've got some great infrastructure already. We have over 5,000 kilometers of roads. We have a transmission grid and hydropower as well, with access to 3 deep sea ice-free ports, and we're working on our permitting and regulatory processes to continue to make them as efficient. And we've also invested in creating what we call the Center for Northern Innovation in Mining, which is to prepare Yukoners for those skilled jobs to be ready when this downturn turns around. I believe that you can still build a mine in Yukon and have it be viable and to the benefit of Yukoners, to the benefit of the mining company, of course, to the benefit of the investors.